On Saturday, December 9th, this community experienced devastation like many of us had never experienced before. The magnitude of what occurred is still being realized today.
And while many families lost their homes and possessions, we also lost precious souls on that day. To the family of Arlen Cody and the entire West Creek Coyote community, our hearts and our prayers are with you. To the families of Donna Allen and Stephen Hayes, our entire community is with you during this tragedy.
We began seeing pictures already on Saturday evening, but on daybreak on Sunday morning, coming out and seeing the magnitude and devastation that occurred in this neighborhood and in our community, as we began walking through and seeing people's homes and lives that will never be the same. To the families of everyone in CMCSS and the community as a whole, we are here to send you our love and support and know that we will be with you.
The survivors of this storm will not just need our support over the holiday season, they will need our support for the weeks and months to come. We have been so touched by the outpouring support from this community. From the volunteers that came out in thousands to help families pick up the pieces of their homes, to those who are helping us at the Northeast Shelter and the other shelters across the community, collecting donations, ensuring people have warm meals and places to stay at night. Thank you. We are showing the world that Clarksville-Montgomery County is the strongest community.
If there has been any positive that has come of this tragedy, it would be the outpouring of support from our CMCSS employees who are reaching out to their students. They are contacting every family and every student to make sure that our kids are safe and to see what they need. In our community, at the Northeast Shelter, when we have needed anything, when I reach out, if it's hot food, whatever the request has been, it has shown up plus some. I cannot begin to express enough gratitude to our community to make sure that we are being taken care of. As a school system and as a community, we will rebuild together. We will heal together. We will be here to support one another. To our employees who have shown up, even without being asked, and said, where can we help? How can we respond? Everything from helping to serve meals, to helping clean up debris, to being there to serve others. Thank you for what you've done.